welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making tortilla, the healthiest tortilla. It's sourdough tortilla with some greens added. It's delicious, very nutritious, and a great addition for your salsa. By the way, did you see my previous video on salsa, fermented salsa? If you didn't, please visit, and I will link below the great recipe, easy to make. So this is tortilla. It's perfect addition for your probiotic in a jar fermented salsa if you ever made, or if you like to eat your tortilla with whichever you prefer. I found it's very hard to find clean ingredients tortilla. I live in a small town and pretty much everything I make from scratch, or I order online if I can find. But tortilla, it's something I will show you how to easy to make, everyone can make. It's the easiest bread, one of the simplest bread. You don't need any skill, any special equipment. I'm not going to even involve any electric mixer or anything. I'll show you how to make. And also with the secret ingredients, blended greens to add it, it just gives more flavor and nutrients, right? And for the ingredients we need, super simple, sourdough starter, nice and ripe, ready to go, bubbling. Mine is almost ready to, is ripe and ready. All-purpose flour, I always use organic and unbleached. Melted coconut butter. You can use lard if you have good quality lard. Sometimes I haven't had. You can use that as well. Traditionally, I actually use lard in Mexico. Pink salt and some kind of greens. I puree whatever I have, spinach, broccoli, whatever greens you have on hand, puree with a little bit lime juice. And we need 2/3 of cups. And that's it. Very simple. Let's do it. Half cup of sourdough starter, 1.5 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons melted coconut, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2/3 of cup is greens. Sprinkle a little bit with flour and make kind of a ball. The dough will be very nice and soft. Perfect. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in room temperature from anywhere between 4 to 6 hours. Now this dough ready to wait and raise. It has to be double, if not triple in size. So keep eye on about 4-6 hours, depends on temperature of your house. Also, you can keep in the refrigerator overnight, and that's what I do for the most of the time. Here I made this morning, and as you see, it's double and ready to cook them. On well-floured surface, take your dough and divide. Preheated pan. The first one I add oil, little bit coconut oil, and the rest of we don't need any oil. So dry pan. On a low heat, cooking very well. So we only need grease first, and the rest of the just keep cooking. Nice and green. And here we go. Nice, beautiful, about 16 then. Beautiful thin, delicious tortillas. And nice and warm Yummy. You want to try it? Baby Matrona, she loves tortillas as well. She loves any bread, actually. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found some interesting and easy this recipe and easy. And don't stress if you don't have right greens. Just use whatever you have. Parsley, cilantro, whatever you have, puree, and add some lime juice, squeeze lime juice. That's all you need. And add to your tortilla. I guarantee you will love it. It has a little bit more flavors than plain, and it's nothing compared to what you buy in the store. You may like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.